Okay.
Alright, we're on the eyeliner.
Wait, have I already done the mascara on that eye?
No. Okay, I lied. We're going back to mascara.
Whee!
This is what she's done so far. If you haven't seen my other video, it is purple, green. Yeah. The lighting sucks.
I love making my sister look like a freak. It's amazing.
This is the nicest dude as my makeup.
Trace.
Really, Trace, part 2.
Really? I thought there was a first part. Where have I been? I've been like...
Yeah, she's done. Anyways.
I was in a hole. I'm sorry. I was under a rock
Okay,
for the
moving
past
on.
20 minutes.
Moving on, we're going to do eyeliner now. What brand is this?
The
Sephora in blue as fuck. Azure number 16. Yeah. It doesn't work. You're gonna break the lid. Close or open?
Close.
Top or bottom?
Bottom. Go to space and come towards your face with... Just drop all of them.
Oh my god, it's not even on my eyelid. Not even on my lash line. I can't even see.
This is let 13-year-olds do makeup.
Wow, that's hot.
Never let your 13-year-old sister do your makeup.
Please don't break my eyeliner.
Oh, I'm not allowed to. Yeah, I'm not allowed to. I'd get in trouble.
I would destroy you.
So with the army. I forgot to put this sparkly stuff on.
You're not supposed to put that on until the other stuff dries anyway, so it's okay.
Makes a funny
This
noise.
is